Okay, hello everyone. We are going to jump into this Mini Mondays savings. I'm going to actually call this Mini Me Mondays because I decided it might be fun to allocate all of these funds that I save to categories for my daughter. And she is definitely my Mini Me. She looks so much like me. Um, and so I have these savings challenges here. These ones are from the Paper Yum Co., I believe. And they're so cute, little coffee challenges. So I think I'm going to start out with this one with these little coffee beans because I think that's adorable. This one, they have all these sets of food items here, and this is by Creative Ink Scribbles. Let me just show these off because they're so cute. And these are just digital downloads in that Etsy store. But I'm so excited. I finally got some savings challenges that weren't just ones that I created. I bought some from other people, and I just love seeing them. Okay, so I'm going to use both of those, and then I have this in my Ko-fi right now. This is the first day of giving free challenges this week. So this one is called Raindrops and Roses, and it's a color and save, and there's going to be a whole series of these. So if you haven't gotten that one, check out my Ko-fi page. It's completely free. This one is another one that I created. It's a set of 3. They're called Powder Penguins. These are also available on my Ko-fi and also on my Etsy page. I just think these are so cute. Look at those little penguins playing in the snow. So I think for this one, I'm going to do this hat one. And then we have these twirling teddies on ice skates. And these guys are also in my Etsy and in my Ko-fi. And I think I'm going to do this middle one here where it's just $1. And let's see, I guess I need one more, huh? Okay, let's do another one of these coffee ones. There we go. Okay, so like I said, all of these are going to go towards ARIA funds. So I have, clothes for her, just like basic necessities, school stuff. I have a college fund started for her. I really want to set up like a savings account for her. So once I get enough in her college fund envelope, I'll set that up for her and start earning interest on that. And of course, like birthday stuff and fun stuff for her. So all of these are going to be going towards her. So I have $20 today to play with. These are from my tutoring gig that I did, that I do on Mondays. So let's just count and make sure we have 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, and then tomorrow I'll be doing Tiny Tuesdays, and I need to find more Tiny Tuesdays because I only have ones that I created, and I don't want to just play with the ones that I've made because I'm tired of looking at them. I want new challenges, and I want to support other people. So I need to find some other Tiny Tuesday ones to play with, but I'll be using the money from my other tutoring sessions that I have on Mondays for my Tiny Tuesdays. So, and I just think that's a great way because, like, this is just, to me, it's like extra money, and it's just fun to play with and see what else we can save. So the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to roll, and whatever number it lands on, that's the savings challenge that is getting the money. Also, I'm going to roll this on something that's going to be quieter than this desk because this desk is so loud. And last time I made this video, come here, let me grab this random paper. I had to edit a ton so that it wasn't obnoxiously loud. Okay, so I'll just roll on this. Oh, that was a bad roll. Hold on. Okay. Oh, I only need one. What am I doing? It's like 10 o'clock at night and I'm so tired. Okay, 1. So that's getting $2. 6 is getting 2. 5 is getting $2. Everything is getting $2. Oh my goodness. I forgot to say in my previous video that I ended up getting a free tree that my friend just gave away, and she was going to list it on Facebook Marketplace, and then she was like, you can just have it. Well, that went really fast. And these guys didn't get anything, so sad, but we'll get them next time. That's okay. So I was so thankful for that, because I usually buy a real Christmas tree, and last year I think I paid $100 for a real one, and then I live in an apartment, so I had to end up finding a way to like get it out of the apartment in January when Christmas was all over, and it was just a pain in my booty. So I wanted a fake Christmas tree this year, and those are also so expensive. So I was like, maybe someone has it, that they're trying to get rid of. So I was willing to pay, something to her, but she just said, no, just take it. So that was so kind. And it was so beautiful. It fits perfectly in our space. Okay, so this one got 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I'm going to make each hat $2. Okay, so each hat is 2. So we got 1, 2. All right. I am so excited to be done with my school, because I'm hoping I can, I don't know, I'm excited to have some more free time, I guess. I don't have a ton still because I work full time and, life, but I haven't read for fun in so long, and I love reading. And obviously I want more time for like creating fun things for Etsy and doing this kind of thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me not use that side. Well, actually, maybe I will use that side. It might be faster. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me fix that one. Okay, and I haven't decided where these are going to be going yet, so I will need to figure that out. Okay, this little coffee guy got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to make each coffee cup $1. $1. $3 and $4. I love watching y'all do these challenges. It is just so fun, and it is so fun to do them myself. But I love watching them just as much as I love doing them, honestly, because I just love seeing all the challenges that y'all have. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we're gonna make the roses $2 and the raindrops 1. And so let's do just 2 roses. Okay, and that is that one. Okay, and that's it for this video, guys. I know that was really short, but I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Whatever you're doing, I hope it's a good one.